Hi children, good morning all. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class, we have taken example 1 and example 2. And your homework was first bit, second bit and fourth bit, right children, from exercise 2.2. Here, most of them have done first bit, fourth one wrong children, okay now? Okay, so today I am going to explain first bit, fourth one as well as your example 4, 5 also children. Okay, shall we start children? Yes. What is your first bit? Find the value of polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3, right? And fourth one is x is equals to 1 by 2. So, in place of x, we have to substitute 1 by 2. Shall we start children? Okay. Now, I have copied the question, okay, given 4x square minus 5x plus 3, where x is equals to 1 by 2. Now, in place of x, we have to substitute 1 by 2, right? 4 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 in place of x is 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now 4 1 by 2 we have to take 2 times. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 5 ones is 5 by 2. You should not multiply 5 with 2 again. Only you have to multiply 5 into 1. Okay. That is only numerator you have to multiply it. Plus 3. Now 4, 1 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 2 is 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. Now we can cancel this 2 4's children because this 4 is in numerator. See here 4 1 is nothing but 4 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 1s are 4 1s are. Okay, that is the answer is 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. Now here denominator is 1, here denominator is 1. So we have to take LCM. 1 comma 2 comma 1 will be what? 2 ones are 2. Right. So obviously LCM will be 2. There is no need to check also. Now, so I'll take LCM as 2. In 1 table 2 how many times it will go? 2 times. 2 table 2 how many times? 1 time. 1 table 2 how many times? 2 times. 1 2s are 2 minus 5 ones are 5 plus 3 2s are 6. First you have to subtract first and second term only children. You should not do 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 minus 2 you should not do like that. Okay, that is wrong. First you have to start 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3 plus 6 as it is write it divided by 2. Okay, now minus 3 plus 6 will give you what? You have to subtract it. Okay, when you subtract it we are remaining with 3. Okay, biggest number is what? 6. What is the sign for it? Plus. So it is plus 3 by 2. Did you all understood children? So in this form you should do. Whenever they give, substitute x as fraction number. Okay, this is called fraction number. Okay, whenever they ask to substitute x as fraction number, you have to do LCM children. In this form you should do it. Okay na? I hope you all have understood it. Okay, now moving to our example 4. Now your example 4 is verify whether 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. Whenever they say verify, verify is nothing but checking part children. Okay, in place of x we have to substitute 2 as well as 1. Okay, when we substitute it, if we get 0 that is a 0 polynomial. If it is 1 it is a when we substitute 1, if we get 0 then also it is a 0 polynomial. Okay, shall we check it? Now the question is given x square minus example 4 given x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, we have to substitute what things children? First 2 then 1. Okay, now I'll write p of x is equals to p of x is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now in place of x, what we are going to substitute? 2. So I'll write 2. X is what? 2 square minus 3x. So into 2 plus 2. Here it is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. Okay. So now 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2 minus 3 2s is 6 plus 2. So separately I'll write like this. I'll draw the lines. Okay. To understand it. You should not do like 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. That is wrong. Okay na children. See here. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. So 3 separate terms you should make first. Okay. So now few of them will do. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12. Then 4 minus 12. That is wrong. Okay. You have to do like this. 2 2s are 4 minus 6 plus 2. 4 minus 6. You have to subtract it. You will be remaining with 2. Okay. Which is the biggest number? 6. What is the sign for it? Minus. So minus 2. This is plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will give you answer as 0. Okay. So we got 0. So 2 is a, therefore 2 is a 0 polynomial. Okay. Next we have to check with 1 as well, right? So we have to do again P. X is what, children? 1. X is what? 1 is equals to 1 square is nothing but x square is nothing but 1 square minus 3 into x is what? 1 plus 2. Okay. Now 1 square is nothing but 1 into 1 minus, first I'll draw it, 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 1 ones is 1 minus 3 plus 2. First we have to do this one. Okay. Subtraction. We will be remaining with 2. Which is the biggest number? 3. What is the sign for it? Minus. See here, this number sign is this one. One sign is what, children? Nothing is there means plus. So plus will be the sign. Okay. Plus 2 as it is. Minus 2 plus 2 will give you 0. Therefore 1 is also 0 polynomial. Did you all understood, children? Example 4. Now moving to our example 5. Now example 5 is, if 3 is a 0 polynomial, they are saying 3 is a 0 polynomial. So x square plus 2x minus a, find a. Okay. Now first what we have to do, we have to write p of x is equals to x square. I have written given part. Okay. X square plus 2x minus a. Okay. 3 is a 0 polynomial, they are saying. So what you have to do first, x square plus 2x minus a. We have to find the value of a, children. Okay. Is equals to 0 because 3 is what? 0 polynomial. So which is equals to 0. Okay. Which is equals to 0. Now in place of x, what I have to substitute? I have to substitute 3. So 3 square plus 2 into 3. X is nothing but 3, right? Minus a as it is equals to 0. Okay. Now 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3. I'll draw the line. Plus 2 3s is nothing but 6. Minus a. Okay. These two are different terms. Equals to 0. Whenever they ask you to find a, b, z, x, okay, anything, what you have to do? Equals to, if it is a 0, they are saying 3 is a 0 polynomial. That's why equals to 0 I have written. Okay, then we have to substitute the 3. Okay, now 3 3s is then 9. 9 plus 6 minus a equals to 0. Now 9 plus 6 is nothing but what, children? It is 15. Minus a equals to 0. Now 15 is equals to, send this minus a to that side. Okay, it will become plus a. 15 plus a. Now you will be thinking where this 0 went. Okay, that is 0 plus a it will become. 0 plus a is nothing but a. So directly I have written. Therefore the value of a is 15. Okay na, children? Next is, we are moving to a new topic, children. Okay, that is dividing polynomials. Okay, dividing polynomials. We are going to do this sum, children. It is on page number 38. Okay, 3x cube plus x square plus x divide the polynomial this one by the monomial x. Okay, so I'll copy the question. That is, just it is a star question, children. Given 3x cube plus x square plus x divide with x. Okay, now see here. First x, then 3x cube plus x square plus x. Right. First, see here children, we have to do division. Okay, first term divide with this term, children. Okay, so I'll draw a line first. So I can do the rough column here. Meanwhile, you'll understand as well. Okay, rough column. Now first term divided with first term. 3x cube divided by x, children. Okay, so 3x is how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3 by x. X gets cancelled. What I am remaining with? 3. X how many are there? 2 are there. X square. Okay, so I have to write that 3x square here. Okay, then I should multiply x into 3x square. X into 3x square will give you what, children? 3x cube it will give. Okay, x into 3x square. X into 3x square. That is 3x how many times is there? 3. X cube. 3x cube it will give. Then what I should do? I should change the signs now. Here the sign is plus. So it will be minus. It will become minus. I should cancel it simply. Okay. Then I should take this one down. That is x square. Okay. Now same thing. X square divided by x. So x how many times I should take? 2 times. So x into x divided by x. X cancel. I am remaining with x. So it is x, no children. It is plus x you should write. Okay, are you understanding? Plus x I should write. Then what I should do? I should multiply this x and this x. X into x will give you what? X into x will give you x square. So I am going to write that x square here. Now same. The symbol is plus here. So it will be minus. Cancel it. Okay. Then I should take this x down. X. Now same thing. For x divided. Okay. So x divided by x. This x is divided with this x. So x gets cancelled. The number is 1. So plus 1 I should write here. Okay. Now multiply x into 1. X into 1 will give you what? X. So I should write that x here. Now I have to change the sign. It will be cancelled. What is the answer? 0. Did you understand, children, how you should do? Okay. I hope you all have understood it. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a good day.